Welcome. In today's tutorial video I'm gonna show you how to use a sigil of life in Doom: The Dark Ages. So to use a sigil of life, which the amount you can see in the right upper corner, I have 2 available sigil lives. You get to enemies and you accidentally die, like me right now. Then you have an opportunity to use a sigil of life, and you can press no. That means you will start from a checkpoint, and if you press yes, then you will be respawned in the same spot when you died. So we're gonna use yes. As you can see, we are at the same spot, and we can continue smashing our opponents. That will be all for today. Leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Bye!